I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Transferring your balance to a new eSIM on E is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Get your new eSIM ready. Before activation, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the eSIM compatibility checker and confirm your device and carrier are supported. Step 2. Dial the balance transfer code. On your phone, dial 150 and follow the prompts to access the balance transfer option. This will connect you to E's automated service. Step 3. Follow the instructions. Listen carefully to the instructions provided by the automated system. You will need to confirm your old number and the new SIM number. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. After entering the required information, the system will process your request. You should receive a confirmation message once the transfer is complete. Step 5. Check your balance. Once you receive the confirmation, check your balance on the new SIM by dialing 150 again or using the MyE app. This ensures that the transfer was successful. Sometimes, the transfer might take a few minutes to reflect, so be patient if you don't see the balance immediately. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to contact TE customer support. Happy transferring.